Okay, guys, before we actually get started, if you are new and you've not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share. Now, let's take a look at our Euro USD, starting with let's say weekly time frame, or no, let's start with our daily time frame because we would want to do it for the day. So, on the 26th, by the way, let's zoom out with our daily time frame full trend. It is actually a downward trend, by the way. We all can see our price is below our 10 period moving average, so we very much consider this as our price starting to rally down, so we want to short it, by the way. So that is on our daily time frame. Now this is it on our daily time frame. We all can see how we got to this key level here. Once our price once range within this area, we take it as our resistance and we take it as our mid, also here as our support area. Once our price was here, it bounced up, it tested all this area and came down, by the way. We all can see something here again. Once our price broke below this our support level area, we all can see a pullback again to test this area. Once we see that our price break out from any key level area, probably our resistance or our support, it tends to rally back to test that area again before we continue downward movement. So I still believe that our Euro USD will continue to go downward. I still very much believe, as we can see here, impulse move downward, a correction here, another impulse move downward. We are actually on a correction, currently trading on a correction, by the way. I don't think the correction is over, by the way. So that is on our daily time frame. I don't think the correction is over, but we should be expecting a massive drop anytime soon. So I think that we should be watching out for it probably next week, or so that is on our daily time frame. We are expecting a drop, by the way. So on our 4-hour time frame, we'll also be expecting a drop. But one thing I note is that if our price can actually break above this ice, this liquidity area here, then I very much want to take a buy. We should actually consider going long on our Euro USD. That is, if our price break above this liquidity area, which is about 1.00354, then we can consider taking it long on our Euro USD, by the way. If not, we might see a little bit of a rally movement upward and a drop. Exactly what probably might happen or currently might happen on our Euro USD, a little bit of a rally movement upward, then a good drop. And if in case our price breaks above this key level we just highlighted, then we would much likely see a pullback here and a continuous movement upward on our Euro USD. But I don't believe that will be happening. I still believe we will have a little bit of a rally movement upward and a drop on our Euro USD. That is on our 4-hour time frame. We can't really predict. So let's take this key level here. It's legitimate key level. So if it's until our price breaks above this our liquidity area, 1-hour time frame, still on a rally movement. We all can see this huge impulse move downward, correction, but there's no much impulse move downward. Then we add this movement upward. So let's see how it play out. Probably if it will actually go down on our Euro USD. Now on our USD index, which shows our USD pair, we all can see this rally movement upward, an impulse move here, another rally movement upward, and guess what, we are now currently on a correction, by the way. So anytime soon we will be having this huge movement upward. So once we start having this huge movement upward, as we are expecting on our US index, then definitely our Euro USD, as we are all watching for, would actually start to rally down, actually start giving us that bearish move, as we have all talked about previously. That is, once our USD index starts moving off, then our euro to our USD will start dropping. So if in case it does not happen, then probably sit on our 4-hour time frame. If our price can manage to break below this our lows here, if our price can manage to break below this our lows on our USD index, if our price breaks our lows, breaks below these lows, and it continues to rally down, then definitely we can now go long on our Euro USD for the day. So just watch out for it and see if there will be some breakouts. Then we can actually now go along with the trade.